Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude verification not received issue. First, make sure your email or phone number is correctly entered in the app. Also, check your spam or junk folder. Open your Gmail, click on the three-line option in the top left corner, scroll down and check your spam or your trash if the code was sent by email. Then restart your phone and request the code again. You can also try turning airplane mode on for a while. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back on. Next, what you're gonna do is, if the code still does not arrive, wait for a few minutes and try the voice call option if available. You can also contact Claude support for assistance. That's how you fix the verification